Tiong Bahru. It's Singapore's oldest housing estate, famous for its stunning 1930s architecture and trendy cafes. But today, we aren't here for the lattes. We are heading straight into the heart of the neighborhood, the Tiong Bahru Market. Built in 1951 to serve residents moving from Chinatown, this place is a time capsule of heritage eats. It recently underwent a massive renovation, and today we're finding out if the food still tastes like the memories we grew up with. Let's eat. Getting here is a breeze. We hopped on the east-west line to Tiong Bahru Station, just one stop away from Outram Park, and it only costs $1.28 by using the EZ Link card. After a quick 500-meter walk, you arrive at what might be the cleanest market I've ever seen. Walking through the first level, it's a sensory experience. Fresh flowers, local eggs, and a wet market that is surprisingly pristine. Look at this fish. It's neatly cut, beautifully presented, and there's absolutely zero fishing odor. If the ingredients are this fresh downstairs, you know the food upstairs is going to be elite. First up, a Singaporean staple, Hainanese boneless chicken rice. The chicken here is incredibly succulent and tender. I will say the rice was a bit on the firmer side today, a little harder than I usually like. But a quick pro tip, just add a splash of the hot soup to soften it up. Once you do that, it's a solid, comforting start to the meal. You cannot visit Tiong Bahru without stopping at Jian Bo. We got 5 pieces of Chwee Kueh, and let me tell you, they do not skimp. They are incredibly generous with the chai po, or preserved radish, dried prawns, sambal, and onion oil. The rice cakes are so smooth, they practically melt. They also added 2 pieces of siu mai on the side, which were soft and savory. This dish is heavy, hearty, and definitely filled me up. Now for the one that requires some patience. The queue for Heng fried Sotong prawn mee took us about 15 minutes. It's a 2-person operation. An elderly uncle meticulously frying every batch while his wife handles the front. He uses a mix of yellow noodles and bee hoon, tossed with fresh prawns and sotong. Was it worth the wait? Absolutely. The wok hei, that unmistakably smoky charred flavor, is incredibly strong here. It's a masterclass in traditional frying. Now, I want to be honest with you guys. Not every dish was a winner. We tried the black carrot cake, and unfortunately, it didn't hit the mark. They added way too much black soya sauce, which completely overpowered the radish and the egg. It was just a bit too sweet and one-dimensional for my liking. Stick to the prawn mee instead. But Tiong Bahru is more than just the food center. After you're stuffed yourself, you have to explore the surroundings. You can visit the Ji Tian Gong temple, dedicated to the monkey god, or just wander the back lanes to find the hidden murals and indie boutiques that give this place its gentrified artsy soul. Whether you're here for the heritage stalls that have stood the test of time, or just to admire the Art Deco vibes, Tiong Bahru Market is a must-visit. It's clean, it's historic, and most of the food is still top tier. What's your must-eat stall in Tiong Bahru? Let me know in the comments so I can try it next time. Don't forget to like this video if you're a fellow foodie and subscribe for more Singapore food tours. See you in the next one. Bye!